Schools College and Career Academy is a half-day program that's set up for South County students. Basically offer culinary arts, construction, audio, video, film, and animation, as well as aviation. Our studios are exactly industry studios. Our kitchen is an actual industry kitchen.
The mask is coming off. I'm Mr. Burkett, and I teach film and animation here at the Fulton Schools College and Career Academy.
Hello everyone, I am Miss Darian, your teaching as a profession instructor for the 2020-2021 school year.
I see my cohort of stars have arrived. Welcome. I am Miss Marrero, and I am honored to teach you everything that I know about television production and film.
Hi guys, I'm Chef Rutherford.
And I'm Chef Williams, also known as Chef G.
And we are looking forward to teaching you all about culinary arts this school year.
Hey, my name is Johnny Pearson, and I'm going to be teaching you a construction class this year.
I know this year is going to be a little bit different with virtual learning, but just know it's still going to be fun and exciting. You're going to learn how to shoot fireballs, lightning, and make creative fun videos just like the one that you're watching now. I hope you're excited about the Academy because I'm excited to see your faces here soon.
I am extremely excited to work with you all as we matriculate through our 3 courses: Intro to Education, Contemporary Issues in Education, all in preparation for our practicum, which is a great experience. You all will receive certifications in CPR. Also, if you make it to WBL Year 2, you will be an Atlanta Technical College student, earning a degree in infancy. I have so much in store for you, and I hope that you are ready.
I've worked in the industry for many years, and this is my 5th year here at the Academy. So here's a sneak peek of what you can expect to learn this year. In addition to the fundamentals of television production, you will also have the opportunity to create your own video projects. Get ready to unleash your creativity and let your imagination soar. I can't wait to watch your stories unfold.
Some of the things that we'll cover is the front of the house and the back of the house, as well as knife skills, cooking techniques, and most importantly, safety and sanitation.
With safety and sanitation, we will get certifications that will help you in your career as a chef in the culinary industry. So come join us in our classes and have fun and learn all about the culinary industry.
Listen, I want to invite you all over. I'll be seeing you soon to teach you about construction, occupational safety, and all of the construction careers that you can make great money doing. So I want to see you there. Let's make some money together.
Fulton Schools College and Career